Are you ready to dive into the world of YouTube's hidden wealth? In this video, we'll reveal the secret methods YouTubers deploy to go far beyond ad revenue and become incredibly wealthy. Buckle up for a mind-blowing journey. First, let's explore the power of sponsorships and brand deals. YouTubers strategically partner with brands and companies, showcasing their products or services to their loyal fan base. These collaborations open the doors to lucrative opportunities and contribute to their extraordinary wealth. Merchandise sales emerge as another remarkable income stream for YouTubers. They create exclusive branded products, ranging from stylish apparel to must-have accessories, connecting with their fans on a whole new level and adding a significant boost to their fortunes. As we venture further, we'll uncover the realm of exclusive content and perks. YouTubers embrace platforms like Patreon or YouTube's channel memberships, offering their dedicated fans access to premium content and special benefits. These exclusive communities serve as a hidden gem for their incredible wealth accumulation. Get ready to witness the power of crowdfunding. YouTubers unleash their creativity by tapping into platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Their fans eagerly contribute, not only supporting their favorite creators' projects or initiatives, but also fueling their ascent to financial success. Prepare to be amazed by the world of affiliate marketing. YouTubers master the art of recommending products or services through special links, earning a percentage of each sale. This stealthy approach proves to be a major income driver, propelling their wealth to new heights. Hold on tight as we uncover the thrilling domain of live streaming. YouTubers leverage live features like Super Chat, where viewers can generously donate or send messages during streams. This direct interaction becomes a lucrative source of additional income, contributing to their incredible riches. As we conclude this eye-opening journey, remember that YouTubers' path to incredible wealth demands dedication, exceptional content, and a supportive audience. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable insights on making money online. Together, let's unlock the secrets to online prosperity.